Hello folks, it's the Eggmeister here. I recently did a post on the community page of my YouTube channel asking if anyone was interested in finding out what AI thought was the best propeller for the direct drive egg motor. And I got 6 likes, one of them was my own. So I thought, heck, I'll do it. So a couple of weeks ago, I put all the data I could remember about the direct drive egg motor. Stuff off the blog, the website, off the videos, stuff I could remember, and also gratuitous plug. I mentioned in both the do-it-yourself flying guide. I include the Xoar's own test data for the 34x10 prop, and I also mention it in the Chronicles of Egg book as well. Gratuitous plug, obviously. So like 12 horsepower at 5,000 RPM. I also told it what I was getting with the 36x10 prop, the larger prop, and our performance wasn't how I expected. That might have been slightly skewed with the GX200 carburetor. I was running it roughly the same time as a 36x10 prop. So I might not have been getting sufficient velocity through the carb because of bigger bore. It's more air going in, but a slow velocity. So I don't know if the larger carb had anything to do with it at all. As a side note, on the redrive egg motor, basically the same engine, just in a bigger cage and a bigger prop, the GX390 carburetor seemed to run really nice. But I think on the direct drive, the smaller carb would have been better, and I think I alluded to that maybe in the Eggmotor 2.0 video. So anyway, I just chucked everything I could think of into ChatGPT, the 34x10, the 36x10 prop, and I proposed to it, would a 34x9 prop be better? I did state, as in I did the Eggmotor 2.0 video, Can I Polish a Turd, that I didn't get a 34x9 at the time because Xoar wanted a minimum order of 10 units because it wasn't the size they normally did, and I wasn't going to fork out £1,000 on an experiment like that. So I put that into ChatGPT as well, and it came up with some guesstimations what it thought based on all the data I've given it, and it did think a 34x9 will probably give me, I think, around about 2 to 3 more kilograms of thrust, more than the 34x10, without the engine screaming its nuts off. But what it did suggest, I didn't ask it to, but it surprised me, was it actually thought a 36x9 would be a much better proposition, because I'd still be in the plus 5,000 RPM range. Obviously a larger prop, larger surface area, the more efficient it'll be, but I'd still be swinging past the 5,000 RPM marks. I think when I did test the 36x10, I think on one of the videos, I think I was only registering something like 4,900 RPM, something. I think I was struggling to reach 5,000 RPM. So yeah, so there you go, folks. ChatGPT thinks that a Xoar, because I based it off the Xoar, which I found the best prop, most efficient prop. ChatGPT thinks a Xoar PJD-P 36x9 prop would be the best solution for a 12 plus horsepower GX200 Paramotor. And I think it estimated, it's like 4 to 6 horsepower, 4 to 6 kilograms of thrust more. I haven't got the data with me here, but it was a little bit more than the 34x9 to go with a 36x9. So a 36x9 seems to be, according to AI, the best prop for the egg motor. So there you go. Bit of a boring 2-3 minute video, but I just thought I'd pass that information on for anybody still out there who gives a shit about the egg motor and wants to build their own. But don't forget, if you want to build one, almost complete guide, and a bit of backstory and a bit of info, Chronicles of Egg. Both available on Amazon. Anyway, thanks a lot. See ya.